run away. Run on, one man, run away from her. Run as fast as you can run, 'cause she's not what you think.
Mama, we need to talk. Mama, come and sit down. We need to talk. Mama, please come. Sit. We need to talk. It's very important.
You came back empty-handed. You didn't buy anything for your mother.
Yeah. Mama, you have started. You did not even bother to ask me what I want to talk about. Moreover, I've told you there is food in my house. If you want to eat, come to the city and I will give you food to eat.
You give me food to eat?
Yes.
Okay. What about the money I asked you for my medication?
Mama, that is not the reason I am here.
What is it?
Something bad is about to happen to us.
What is it?
Mama, it's Nonso.
What about Nonso?
Nonso is dating one of the deadliest girls in the city.
Huh?
Mama, I know what I am telling you.
I hope anything bad did not happen to Nonso.
Mama, that is not where I am going to. This girl is not good for Nonso. At all. His life is in danger. And all she's been doing is been using money, gifts and every other thing to entice Nonso to herself.
Good. Do you know that you are an enemy of progress? The money you cannot give to your brother, and someone gave to your brother to better his life, and you are not talking nonsense.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, good.
Mama.
Good.
Yeah, I'm talking nonsense.
Yes.
Mama, so what I'm saying about your son's life is not important to you. I know this girl more than any other person in this life. I know what she can do. Mama, that woman just wants to take Nonso's... In fact, let me just go straight to the point. That woman is a ritualist.
Ritualist?
I am telling you, Mama. She has used every boy on her street for money.
How do you know that that woman is a ritualist? So you are also a ritualist. So you are also a ritualist. That is why you don't give us your money.
Good. Mama, what are you saying? Why are you talking like this? I thought I already told you that my husband gave me 50 million naira.
50 million naira to kill 100 cows or to build a castle for him. Okuya? Good.
Mama, are you going to do anything about it or not? Are you going to get Nonso out of that woman's claws, or you want us to leave him so that she will kill him?
Good. Leave Nonso to enjoy his life. What? That woman did not want anything from Nonso. What does not have? Nothing. You just want to rule your brother's life. Nothing. You don't want to give us money. And you see somebody that gave your brother money and you are blah, 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 blah. What is your problem? God, what is your problem? So stingy, you cannot give us anything.
And
you
cannot Mama, it's okay.
To give us.
It's okay.
What is your problem?
Since you don't want to listen, let me go.
Give me my list. Give me. What kind of human being you are?
My love, I am so sorry. I am sorry that I'm not man enough to take care of you. I am sorry that I cheated on you with another woman. Please forgive me. I love you.
Chima.
My love.
I heard all you said. Not like... Okay, I am scared. I'm scared of running back into you. You know, you don't just expect me to jump to you and accept you like that after all you've done to me. I am scared. I don't trust you anymore. I don't want to be hurt.
Believe me, I swear with my mother's grave, I will never hurt you again. I love you.
Is Mama dead?
Yes, Mama is dead. Mama is dead.
My God. It's fine.
When did she die? What happened to her?
I think sometimes I blame myself for Mama's death. I think I was the cause of her death.
It's fine. It's fine.
She woke up one day and she started crying.
I forgive you.
You've forgiven me? Are you sure?
Yes. I forgive you.
Forgive me. Oh my God. I love you. Thank you. Oh, thank you, my baby.
I still love him. But I have to do this. I have to pay him back.
I love you. I love you. Driver, please start the car. Go from here.
I'll go to the nearest restaurant.
Okay. Okay. I have to plan. I have to plan like a man. This is a golden opportunity. She think I still love her. She think I still love her. What will I do now? I will allow her to take me to her house and I will kill her. I must kill her. And when I kill her, I will sell all her properties. This is my opportunity to make clean money and stop broke.
Chima, Afa, how did it go?
Also, the most important thing now is that she has forgiven me.
Oh, I'm so happy for you. Wow, thank God, thank God. So, did she take you to her house?
What am I doing in her house?
I don't understand. Okay, wait. What if she asks you to take her to your own house? Your own house, you.
What will she be doing in my house when she have mansions, not one, not two, not three?
Okay, no problem. It's okay now. So now, what's the next plan?
See, bro, now that she has forgiven me,
okay,
now that she has accepted me back,
okay,
I am going to,
you are going to what?
Going to
what? See, how do you finalize the payment with Mensa?
Don't even talk about that one. Also, don't even talk about that one.
How?
Mensa gave me a useless car. That car messed me up. That car couldn't even take me to my destination. The AC wasn't working. Nothing was useful inside that car. I have to drop it to a roadside mechanic and entered bike. Imagine me. I entered bike to see Rose.
Chima, that has not answered my question. You just need to look for a way to sort things out with Mensa.
The most important thing to me now is to find a way to pay the boy I borrowed these clothes from. See all this, my leg has been paying me.
Okay, so after the payment of whatever the boy, after that, you need to sort out things with Mensa. You understand? Very important.
I didn't even remember to borrow belt. Also,
borrow make me rich.
Tell Mensa your friend that I will pay him next week. After I must have settled the guy I borrowed clothes from.
Next week, fine. Next week. Next week.
I need to think.
I
will pay him next week.
No problem. Next week.
Why do I have so much feelings for him? Why did I love him so much? Why did he even come back now? Perhaps he's meant to be the item for my sacrifice.
Good morning. What is she doing here? Oh, sit down. Mama, I ask again. What is she doing here?
I want you to say to her face what you told me.
She cannot marry Nonso. She can't be with him.
Tell us why.
Mama, she is dangerous.
Tell us everything about her so that I will send her out of my house.
See, what is annoying me is that she knows exactly what she is doing. She knows that if she gets married to my brother, this family will be reduced to nothing. in the history of this village, Mama, we will be the poorest. And she knows.
What are you saying? Mama, is she even making sense from what she's... Which family are you talking about? This safe family? We are almost the poorest in this village. How can I marry a wealthy woman and me getting married to her will now make our already poorest in the village now poorest? Tell me.
Good. You are not making sense to me. You are not making any sense.
Mama, see, please, we don't have to waste time. You have to start getting ready to come to the city because we're already planning our wedding. Soon, we're going to fix dates and you... Right?
Ezioku.
Of course, Mama.
What?
Isn't it beautiful?
She's beautiful.
Mama, give it 3 plates.
Silver.
Good, you don't want
Mama, Biko, stay out of this. If you will not listen to me when I'm talking, allow me talk to her. Can I have a word with you?
No, there's nothing to talk about.
I am not talking to you.
Nothing to talk about.
I am not talking to you.
Go.
Can I have a word with you, Silver?
God, what is wrong?
Mama,
with you?
Biko,
Mama,
what is wrong? Biko.
Please, let me talk with her. Baby, can I talk with her?
I am waiting for you. Please come.
Baby, can I
Go.
talk with her?
Is there anything to talk about?
Nothing to talk about.
Well, Mama, she's a daughter and she's your sister, so let me just talk with her, okay? Okay? Please, excuse me.
All right, don't worry, go. Just
I think maybe there's something wrong with her. Let me just calm her down.
Just go.
It's okay. Mama, it's okay. It's okay.
Just
Baby, it's okay. I'll
15,
be right back. Mama.
15 seconds.
No, don't worry. I'll be right
Just
back.
15
I
seconds.
promise. It's okay.
Mama, can you imagine? No, from everything she just said, is she making any sense?
What is wrong with your sister?
I don't know.
Is she alright?
I don't want to believe my sister is envious of me.
Mama.
What is... Alright.
Silver,
Mama.
are you back?
Yes, everything is fine. But Mama, I think we should leave and we'll come back to see you, okay, properly, without any interruptions this time.
Really? How dare you walk out on me, Silver?
Gold, can you stop this?
Stop what?
Go sit down.
Mama said you should sit down. Sit
down.
your ass down. What is wrong with you? Why are you embarrassing me? Why are you harassing me and my fiancé? What is it?
Baby.
Shut up that your smelly gutter mosquito infested mouth.
Hey! Stop talking to him like that.
Look.
Gold, can you stop talking to him like that? What is this?
Wait, you are... God, I don't suffer. Silver, you're opening your mouth to talk to me.
Gold, don't raise your voice at me. I am not the first woman to fall in love, so
But
please.
you will be the first woman to bring this family down to nothing.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You
If you
know
have
exactly
prove
what I'm talking
it.
about.
Please.
Baby,
Please, let's just leave this place. I can't sit here and be insulted.
Will
Please,
you-
let's just go.
Will you bring me down?
It's okay.
Why would I want to do that? I love you.
Go.
Mama, please. We'll see you. Please,
so,
I can't stand it.
Please come back.
Just come back. Stop it. Are you leaving without my blessing? Come let me pray for you.
Pray what? Pray. Stop first.
Stop!
Jesus.
Mama. Uncle, how can God be telling me or even everybody that if I get married to my fiancée, Silver, that she will ruin our family? I don't understand. How? If there is anything she knows and we don't know, then she should come out in the open and tell us. Make us understand. See, Uncle, I know definitely since God made money, she has always wanted everybody in this family to lick her feet. But thank God, she brought this saint, angel, to our family. And that will never happen again.
Don't go. See, let me tell you something. Since this young lady met my son, she has been the one taking good care of me.
Oh, can't you see me? Can't you see the way I'm shining?
Since she met my son,
Now we're good.
my daughter have never given me anything.
Can we just stop all this banter? It's not necessary. She's still your daughter, Mama, so you don't have to. Maybe you know what? Let me have that money.
Oh,
Yeah.
all?
Yes, of course.
You
for Mama.
finish my mommy
Come on,
with.
stop,
You want
stop.
mommy to faint?
What's that?
Do you want to sleep with my
Mama,
mommy?
take this.
Do you give me anyone?
Mama, please.
Why can't I
Mama,
collect?
Mama, please calm down.
Why can't I
Mama, we
collect?
don't want you to be sick. It's okay. Calm down.
Allow Mama to talk. Mama,
No,
stop wasting your time.
Mama, calm down. Just take care of
If
yourself.
you really love your mother, give her Just 1,000 naira. Uncle, tell her to give Mama 1,000 naira.
Just tell her to
1,000. This is just for
bread. You are talking of 1,000. A loaf of bread.
Olid, this is not fair now. It is not fair.
Huh? You all don't understand where I am coming from. I know what I am saying. You people would not listen to me now. I know what I am saying.
What I know now?
God, what is this?
What are you saying? You know what you are saying?
Can you stop all of this? You're acting like a child.
Hey.
Your mother is like a mother to me. Why would I want to hurt her? Why would I want to hurt my love?
Let the Holy Ghost fire in heaven turn 360. In fact, turn 490 and wipe out your generation.
Back to sender. See her back to sender.
Back to sender. Back to sender.
Please, not so.
Jealousy.
Two of you will not get married. That's what I'm saying. It cannot happen. What is?
So this is true. Huh? How can a dog be fighting over a vomit she knows she cannot eat? You don't want to help your brother and your mother, and you don't want other people to help them. This is the highest level of wickedness.
Hey!
Silver.
Mama.
Come on, Lida, let me pray for you.
Oh, thank you, Mama.
Yes, I will know that I can go see you no, Mom. Oh, Chalata. So will I can go see you now.
Oh, do you want to marry me? Jealousy.
Hey, ask him not gathering on number.
When the rain falls, let it not bring calamity. And when the sun shines, let it bring no pains. Omaka. Wow. Ngwaneke. Oye. Afọ. Nkwọ ahịala anọ, izula anọ. Omaka, today is good. The weather is so clement.
Ucho. Uke.
Abụpụmuchu. Uke. Ọkwado mmadụ ka a na-aya.
What is it? Why the speed? Did you miss your way or something?
I'm guessing you are Silver's father.
I am.
Well, I'm here to give her a stern warning. And I want you to pass that message to her. Tell her to stay away from my business.
What is the problem?
Tell her not to ruin my brother's life with her evil money.
Young girl, look at this compound. Does this place look like a place you can bring problem into? And if you think you have any problem with my daughter, you better go and sort it out with her. Don't bring blind problems before my presence.
Shut the hell up. Just stupid, retarded, hollow boy, old fool. Do you know who you are talking to?
My daughter, go home. I am not here for children's variety show. This place is not that place.
Really? I see. But I am going to teach you. You stupid, retarded, old holoboy. A lesson. So when your daughter returns, she would know that I paid you the visit. Boys!
Yes, mother.
Bundle this old fool out of this place.
Are you sure, my daughter, you will not regret what you are about to do?
Regret what?
I am a little man.
Make that snappy! Bundle him! Bundle him! What
Ah, Theka.
Madam, come move.
Anebu.
We're stuck here.
What do you mean he's stuck? My friend, put him inside the boots.
Move it. Madam, come move.
Do something.
Honestly, we are stuck here. Come move. Move it.
Asika woke Odin Fadim Bully.
Madam, please do something.
What you are trying to do?
Obala Chago kwa maunanya.
Madam!
Obala Chago kwa maunanya.
Put him inside the boots.
Asika Obala Chago kwa maunanya.
Stop here.
You think I am here to joke? Bastard.
Asika.
What?
One more.
Do something.
One more, my daughter. Abala tago kwa maunanya.
Please.
Sorry. We made a mistake. I don't think this was the place we're supposed to come to.
We are sorry.
What do you want? What do you want, sir?
Get me a grey pubic hair of an octogenarian. Yes. A lizard that have stayed for 3 good years with red hair. And a he-goat that has never touched a female goat for 3 good years. That I will come down.
Sir, what do you expect me to get the pubic hair of an 80-years-old woman?
Your grandmother has. Otalomaji fear. Otaji fe grandmama ge.
Sir,
Sir,
Madam,
okay.
please do something. We are dying.
I have some money in the bank. Let me get some.
Aha. Asika woke out in Fadim Bully. Adi ebu ani ebu.
We'll never try it again.
Ijamugo.
Oh, God, we'll never try it again.
You have gotten to a point of no return.
Madam, please. Madam,
come on, carry me. And Uja Torogi, you don't ask questions before you enter the post compound. Who are you?
Please.
Drop that nonsense on the ground. You can see that I'm relaxed. You have only 2 seconds to leave this.
Get into the car, let's go!
And now! Tago kwa mamonanya. Tago kwa mamonanya. Aha. Obala tago kwa mamonanya. Aha. Atamili ekene muno. Ogudu mu ekene muno abusini na nejele mi ije. Alusi oji na agulu ekene muno. Okwego. You want to buy more than your stomach like that. Obala chago kwa maunanya. Obala chago kwa maunanya. I never thought of this.
How did I let things get so messy? How did it get to this point? How come I did not know that Silva is from such family? If I let things continue this way, that girl is going to deal with me. God, you need to do something. You need to get someone to fix this. You need to get someone to get this arranged. I need to get a strong man. I need to see someone to handle this, else it is going to get really, really messy.
I still love him.
Hey. God, how do you create beautiful girls with fine body and you don't give them sense at all? Say you dey Chris. I'm here thinking of how to cut Silva from having anything to do with my brother. And you're here talking about love. You dey mad?
What do I do? I am confused. I am in between using him for sacrifice and taking him back. What do you advise I do?
I think I know what you should do.
Okay.
Stand up. Just turn around like that now, like wind, and get out of this place. My friend, get out of this place!
Cold. Why are you like this? Are you not my friend? You're supposed to advise me.
Advise you on what? Love. Old woman like you are still looking for love. My friend, get out of this place.
God, I'm not your problem, eh? I am not your problem. Why are you people getting angry unnecessarily? Cannot even suggest.
Ha! What do I do with Silva?
Best friends, I turn to worst enemy. This is serious.
We should be ready. Madam said we are going to Ijebu tomorrow morning.
You are going to where?
Ijebu.
Dodo, I don't think I'm joining you guys to Ijebu. I mean, I'm tired of this job. Getting tired. Why does our madam keep fighting with everybody? Listen, if we keep fighting for her like this, we'll end up making enemies for ourselves. I'm tired.
Dudu, now you dey yarn this one.
I mean, the yarn, I'm not
I
tired.
feel say you get mind though. So it is to get money easy, Abi.
How much money is more important than our lives? You don't listen that before.
Wait, do you know how much madam will pay us at the end of this month after we finish this job? She's going to pay us 2,500,000 naira.
Wait, you say what?
You shock you, Abi.
Talk am again. 2 million what?
2,500,000 naira.
2.5 million.
Oh.
Now you can't carry ease the talk like this.
They play.
Omo, I don't face Naija Ijebu day to
They
go.
play.
As the be now, I can take any risk for madam. So far as I say, they put this kind of money there involved.
They play.
And they tell
Go find something.
go flex. I know I just did the mistake before myself.
You see, Mokike, you see, we will wait for your brothers. We are not in a hurry at all. What about
Eat cola nut. Enjoy yourself. My brother, I also have drinks. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, sir.
Best friends, I turn to worst enemy. This is serious. There is fire. There is fire. We need to war. There is fire. There is fire. We need to war.
What? Why in God's name why didn't you tell me? Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Madam. Hello, boss.
Hello, guys. We are going to Silva's village right now. Make a U-turn.
Okay. Okay. Alright, yes, boss. Okay. There's a change in plans.
Change in plans?
Yes, we're heading to Silver's house.
Alright, let's move it. Let's move it.
Best friends are turned towards the enemy. This is serious. There is fire. There is fire. There is fire. There is fire willing to war. When two elephants fight, the grass go suffer. When two elephants fight, the grass go suffer.
Achalugo, my daughter. To say the truth, I don't know who your husband is. So, in peace, no one is going to can be all go. Mama is a quality. I don't know who your husband is. Show me your husband. Let us know who the man is. Yeah.
Stop that. Noso, get up from that couch this minute and go to the car with me. What did you... Stop that thing!
What was that?
Sir, please. I am not here for you. I am not here to see anything to you. I just want my brother to leave this place. Go with me, let's get into the car this minute.
Listen, Babu. Listen and listen real good. If I come back here and still meet this your miserable body in my compound, my house, what will happen to you? Ask God and not man.
And I have told you that I'm not here for you. No, so move before I move.
And if I don't...
What do you mean if you... No, so I am not here to joke with you. No, so I am not going to say this one more time. I don't want to...
Go!
No!
Leave him alone. Go. Today is my day and I will not have you disrupt it. Since you want war, I'll give you war in its fullness.
Silver, like I said earlier, I am not here for you. Oh!
We're gonna go. You are going to remain like this till the next 7 days. Next time you don't dare me.
Baby, let's leave this place. Come on, let's go. Babe, let's go.
Best friends are turned towards the enemy. This is serious. There is fire. There is fire. There is fire. There is fire.
I no fit say I go continue this job again. I'm done.
Dodo, calm down. I mean, we don't feel leave our money halfway now. Just base like that. You guys complete the job. Collect our money, then we base. Then show you they get me so. Don't worry, calm down. You don't forget that they always tell me say I know they get mind for this kind of thing. Now you can't lose guard so.
Because pass mind.
No. Just calm down. We'll complete this job, collect this money. Then we'll feel quit. See, you understand me so? Just calm down. Sorry.
I know what you know. You want to destroy me. I will fight you. The sisters, the Sisterhood.
What is going on? She's not taking her calls and she's not even returning them. Okay.
Birds of the same feathers, they know themselves. The battle line is
Who's there? Come in, who's there?
It's me, Kido.
What is it? Where is your boss?
Listen, madam, we had a terrible experience today. We went to the place where her brother was getting married to Silva.
Huh? What happened?
Silva shot my guy on the leg.
And just stop telling me these stories. Where is she?
Listen, Silva's father used strong charms on our madam, and she's just standing at a place. As I speak to you now, she can't even move an inch.
Is she still there?
I believe she should still be there. As for me, I had to run for my dear life without looking back.
Fine. Just take me there. Let's go there. Now.
Take you where? Listen, madam, I can't go back there this night. Besides, I'm not prepared for this fight. Please, I have to go. Good night.
No.
Yes. I am going to demolish that house. Yes. And I will buy 7 cars. 7 cars with 2 convoy. I will give 1 car to Ozo as my friend. Yes, money is speaking.
Chima. If I heard you well, you said you were going to demolish our house and build another one. Chima, with which money? Wait, where are you planning to? Are you planning to rob bank?
My brother.
Hey.
You see this button I'm pressing? You see this button?
Chima, are you planning to rob a bank? Because I don't understand. You say you want to buy 7 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars. Hey, Chima. Hey.
You see my woman? You don't know my woman. If this button I'm pressing enters.
Chima, I hope this button you are pressing the buttons to pay for the car we hired.
Oh God.
I don't want problem with Mensa. I know what Mensa is capable of. Chima.
Also, I understand you are my friend.
Billionaire.
My poor friend.
Thank you, billionaire.
I have no problem with that. But you moving around me with a poor mentality is something I will not take.
Billionaire.
Look at me. Look at my tummy. I've already positioned it for the future. Like a billionaire's tummy. You know how big it is?
Chima.
Tell Mensa that I'm not going to pay him any money. I am going to buy him a new car.
That's what I've been waiting to hear.
Chima Oil and Gas.
Chima, when are you buying Mensa the car?
Tell your friend Mensa. Mensa or Mensa, whatever he calls himself. Tell him that I will pay him next week with a brand new car.
Pium. Cho. If you fail to pay Mensa his money by next week, when they pay you, I'll collect the money from you.
Anyway.
Agreed.
2 swimming pool.
Agreed.
1 for adults, the other 1 for kids. No, kids don't swim. Pool party. We're having a pool party. Also, go home and start cutting down the tree.
Someone that has not even eaten since morning. Do you think that's how they make money? See my billionaire belly.
Bring down the tree. You are going to be my engineer.
Payments are first.
Ana mejeno kama moko mmadụ na-agọ na-alụsị. Ife njeje ụka ka mụ solu tote oke n'eluigwe. Ana m agwa alụsị n'ụwa maka ndị na-agwa alụsị na-ataju anụ afọ. Isi kote ọgba anyị.
Good morning, sir.
How may I help you?
I am here to take my friend.
For what?
Sir, look at her. She will die if she continues staying like this.
It's a stubborn fly that follows the coffin to the grave. Yes. She has desecrated the land. And she has to stand like this for the next 7 days.
So look at her. She's suffering. I can do anything to appease the land.
You can do anything to appease the land. You can?
Yes.
A big cow, very big one, and a very big he-goat. Balaba.
How much is the cow and the he-goat?
Do I look like I sell cow or he-goat?
Sure.
Ogologo long John. There will be need for this. Take it. Hold on. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. We're gonna go.
I'm good.
Hey, Nande na kwa no se no wa na thank you.
Ay, thank you, sir.
Oh, hello, fun wa kana bolo. The stubborn fly that follows the coffin to the grave. Remove your hand from my table.
Sorry,
Don't desecrate my table.
sorry, sir.
The stubborn fly that follows the
Thank
coffin
you,
to the grave.
Thank you.
Obogonogo. Obogonogo. Yakije zwike.
What do I do about this? Instead of going wretched again, I would rather kill my brother.
Just take it easy now, eh?
Sorry. Cold. You shouldn't have gone there.
Why did you tell me in the first place what was going on there? I shouldn't have gone there. I should have just sat down and watched things slide.
Well, you should have sent your boys. I didn't expect you to go there. Just look at this.
Since Silva wants me to go down, she will go down as well. I will deal with Silva, and this is no joke.
Please, take things easy.
Stop telling me to take things easy. That's the only thing you know how to say. This idiot is planning to use my brother for sacrifice, and you expect me to calm down? You know what will happen if this happens. Rose, I will go down. My family will go back to wretchedness. I beg. Don't even mention calm down or take things easy again.
Oh, but I thought you wanted to go to Ijebode. You can still go there tomorrow.
I know what to do.
Sisterhood, come and belong and make money, cause their money long go. Hajipego, Bepsi Jipa Kashi, Mere, Hanego. You must fear them. I love you. You go see them when they're spending money. You must fear them. Don't cross their lane. You go see them when they're spending money. Sisterhood, come on.
Good morning, madam.
Yes, good morning. Where is your engineer?
He got a distress call, so he just left.
Oh, that's fine. I like the job you people are doing here. I'm impressed.
Thank you very much.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you very much.
I like this.
Okay.
I like it.
Come, let me show you the executive room that we're designing.
You must fear them. I love you. You go see them when they're spending money. You must fear them. Don't cross their lane. You go see them when they're spending money. high class lady. Money not be your wahala. You're on top of your game.
Hey. Where is he? Where is he? Now your money can come and I will give you. Oga, I need my money today. I will give you the money tomorrow, Mensa. Okay. Not the money, I know the thief. Where is your friend? My friend. Mensa. You get why they call you?
Mensa, I never look like this now.
It's you that I'm looking for. I came here to get my money.
I dey try tell you say make you stop living. If they live and they owe me.
I need my money
today. Stop me now.
Mensa, I no do any business with you. Eh? In fact, I no go give you that money again.
Eh?
Yes.
I don't even owe you before. You don't see that what you talk with this? Is this what you are telling me now?
Hey, you guys always joking with me anytime I come here. I need my money now.
Oga, I no do any business with you. Now me come carry car for your hand. No, tell me. Now me come carry car.
I'm talking to you. I don't have business.
Now what you come and tell me with this?
Hey, listen. Somebody will die here today. I'm telling you. Somebody will die here today.
No, not somebody.
I will kill you here
somebody
today.
Will not die here.
Chima will die here today. No be me. Chima will die here today.
Men are respect to yourself. Eh? Now that Tokumbo, you take they make noise. Men, leave me alone.
Chima, you make one for what you know. Pay me my money. Pay my money. Chima, give you the money.
Also, give me my money now.
Give me my money.
Give me my money.
Chima, give me
Don't be saying this guy like this.
How you do like this? I can't even
tell your guy to calm down. Now borrow, we just borrow.
Listen to me, Ozo. If you don't give me this money now, I will tell you how much a monkey is cost in Togo. I'm telling you.
What's happening here, my friend?
Chima,
My lord.
what's going on here? Why are you like this?
Oh, okay. Hey, actually, we are into construction. And I am the engineer here, and this is one of my boy, and this is my engineer.
Hey, who is your engineer? Hey, you think I came here to joke? See, give me my money now or somebody will die here right away.
bring this money. Now, Chima, give me this money. Let me give to this man now. I know like wahala.
Also,
we are not going anywhere to settle anything.
Also,
like men.
Can you talk to me? What's going on here?
Oga, see problem. I was on my own. No. Chima came, said I should go help him hire a car. And now, to pay back the balance.
We can settle this thing now. We can go inside and settle this.
Must you talk?
What car? What hire?
It's this tractor for the construction company.
The same car he visited you with.
There was no car. There was no luxury. You hired a car to come see me. Answer me! So you're still the same terrible man that I left? Tell your guy to see me.
I'm sorry, madam.
Honey,
you guys are fired. The two of you are fired.
Not him, oh. Keep this guy. The one of him is that. Get right.
Hey.
Oga, you take a bit down.
Also,
Oga,
come follow me.
In front of my wife.
See,
Oga,
which wife? You get wife?
You have a wife. Which one is that? No be out. I saw to you. How does no be out?
Instead of you to join her and beat that guy, you were there shivering.
Join her and beat you. Join her and beat you. Sir, did I not warn you? I warned you. I told you to pay him his money.
I will not give him 1 naira. That guy will not see any money from me again. After embracing me in front of my girl, and you want me to give him money? It's not possible. Who does that?
Chima, that guy is an assassin.
Also, you say Mensa is what?
An assassin, Hey.
You should have told me before now.
Oh, I should have. Did I not tell you? I told you, but you were forming gidigba. Say you be this, that, and Tyson. Chima, look for a means and pay him his money as fast as possible. That's what you should be thinking and talking about now.
Also, I am leaving this town.
You say?
I must run away.
You say? To where? So if you leave this town now, what happens to me? Chima, Chima.
Also, stop saying rubbish. I don't care. I don't care about what will happen to you. What matters to me now is that I'm looking for a way to win back Rose's love. Oh, I don't know if Rose is going to forgive me.
Chima, at this point you are still talking about Rose. Chima, money matter. That's the most important thing now. Money, Mensa. You are supposed to think of how to pay him his money now. You are still talking about Rose. You are still talking about Rose. Hey, Chima. Don't say I didn't warn you. Mensa.
I just found out something.
I think I found out the same thing as well. Silva's younger brother schools in Turkey.
No need to tell her. What do I tell her now?
But my question is, how do I go all the way to Turkey to look for him? Meaning I have to go to Turkey to look for her brother and take my revenge. I mean, it's crazy.
You don't need to look back for you to take your revenge.
How?
There is this strong man that I know,
okay,
who can invoke her brother back to Nigeria.
You are kidding me.
All you need is his name.
Is that what you are telling me gently? Since Silva wants me to go down, babes, we will go down together. You need to take me to that man tomorrow.
Good. I will.
Oh.
My love, I am so sorry. I am sorry that I'm not manly enough to take care of you. I am sorry that I cheated on you with another woman. Please forgive me. I love you.
Chima.
I love.
I heard all you said. Not like... Okay, I am scared. I'm scared of running back into you. You know, you don't just expect me to jump to you and accept you like that after all you've done to me. I am scared. I don't trust you anymore. I don't want to be hurt.
Believe me, I swear with my mother's grave, I will never hurt you again. I love you.
Is Mama dead?
Yes, Mama is dead. Mama is dead.
My God. It's fine.
When did she die? What happened to her?
I think sometimes I blame myself for Mama's death. I think I was the cause of her death.
It's fine. It's fine.
She woke up one day and she started crying.
I forgive you.
You've forgiven me? Are you sure?
Yes. I forgive you.
Forgive me? Oh my God. I love you. Thank you. Oh, thank you, my baby. I love my baby. I love you. Oh my God. I love you. I love you. Driver, please start the car. From here.
I'll go to the nearest restaurant.
What's wrong with you? Why are you sad?
It's Chima.
You still love him?
I thought I did. But I saw his true color today.
I don't understand what happened.
Borrow, we just borrow. Listen to me, Ozo. If you don't give me this money now, I will tell you how much a monkey is cost in Togo. I'm telling you.
What's happening here, my friend?
Chima.
My lord.
What's going on here? Why are you like this?
Oh, okay. Hey, actually, we are into construction.
And I am the engineer here, and this is one of my boy, and this is my engineer.
Hey, who is your engineer? Hey, you think I came here to joke? See, give me my money now or somebody will die here right away.
Bring this money, man. Chima, give me this money. Let me give to this man now. I know like wahala.
Also,
You are not going anywhere to settle anything
also,
like men.
Can you talk to me? What's going on here?
Oga, see problem. I was on my own, no. Chima came, said I should go help him hire a car. And now, to pay back the balance...
We can settle this thing, man. We can go inside and settle this. Must you talk?
What car? What hire?
It's this tractor for the construction company.
The same car he visited you with.
There was no car. There was no luxury. You hired a car to come see me. Answer me! So you're still the same terrible man that I left?
It's not.
Tell your guy to see me.
I'm sorry, madam.
You shameful.
Honey, you guys are fired.
I could not believe it. Do you know Chima lied to me that he's a contractor there? Can you imagine?
No, girl, you did mess up. I mean, you have your item for the sacrifice right in front of you. Why are you joking with it? Babes, if I were in your shoes, I would look for this guy. I would go as far as renting him a good apartment. Buy him a car. So that when the time comes for your sacrifice, you have him closer to you. It's as simple as ABC. Why are you complaining?
That's been going on in my mind, actually.
You have been thinking about it. Babes, do it. You have no time to waste.
You're right. I really do not have time. I'll do it.
I don't even believe you're thinking about it.
Sisterhood, come and belong and make money, consider money long. Haji Kwego, Pepsi,
Pass my dad.
So, come in. You are very much welcome to my humble abode. Have a seat.
I want to go back to my hotel.
The thing is, you cannot go back to your hotel. It's not safe. Those guys might come back for you. Don't worry, sit down, okay?
Are you a police officer?
I'm not. Have a seat. Listen, I want you to feel free, okay? If there is anything you need, there is a maid in there. All you need to do is just a snap of your finger and they'll get it to you.
Who are you?
That I forgot. My name is Gold.
That's not what I mean. Are you a special force?
I am not. Let's say I am a special woman. You know, I saw you at the airport, I spoke to you, but you ignored me. Is that what overseas returnees do?
I actually ignored you.
You did.
I'm sorry about that then, but then I never noticed.
It's okay.
Well, thank you for saving me.
Now to that point, let's say I saved you for me.
What does that mean?
I like you. The moment I set my eyes on you at the airport, I had a crush on you instantly. Listen, I don't have a boyfriend. I am single. So what do you say?
You're single?
I like that question. Yes, I'm single. You know what? Make yourself comfortable. Like I said earlier, if there is anything you need, there is a maid in there. Okay? So, take care. Just sit here and be fine. I'll be back in a bit. Like I said, if you need anything, call on any of the maids, okay? Teresa!
She's single.
Today, I respect Madame.
I swear.
Jesus!
This woman is professional for this game. See how she take double cross us. Omo, this woman don't almost bail me. I don't surrender. Finish.
Madame, I be like say she dey do this job before.
No, come on for this place. No, come on. It's too expensive.
No.
Baby.
Yeah.
There's something I want to tell you.
So, what is it?
I'm pregnant.
What? Come on. Come, are you kidding? Are you playing with me?
I'm
Please
not
be serious.
kidding, I'm pregnant.
What? Are you serious? What? Babe! Wait, hold on. So, you mean very soon I'm gonna be a father?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, good. Good, thank you.
I don't want him to die.
What? See, am I not blessed?
I'm the one who is blessed. I'm blessed to have you by my side. You know, with you, love is easy.
Come.
No wonder.
See, listen. It's an assurance, okay? It's a promise. I will love you till the end of time.
Yes! Stop.
I love him.
Hello?
I don't want him to die.
Oh, alright. What's that? So, are we going to see my mother?
You want us to... You want...
Come on, yes! Yes! Yes!
Run away, one them, run away from her. Run as fast as you can run.
What is it? Going, my friend.
Best friends are turned to worst enemy. This is serious. There is fire. There is fire willing to war. There is fire. There is fire willing to war. When two elephants fight, the grass goes suffer. When two elephants fight, the grass goes suffer. I know what you know. Are we fighting with last blood?
So tell me, what do you want?
I don't want anything else. If this is actually love at first sight, then I'm okay with it.
Smart boy. That's really smart. So how long have you been in Turkey?
Yeah, I was in Turkey for 2 years. I actually went there to do my second degree.
Okay. So now that you're back, what do you intend to do?
Work, of course. I have to look for a job or perhaps work in one of my sister's company.
Okay, slow down. Your sister has a company?
Yes, my sister. She has a company. 2 for that matter even. She has a fruit juice factory and a cosmetic factory.
Oh.
And I studied biochemistry, so I might be useful in any of those factories.
Okay. But I have something better to offer you.
Okay.
What if I give you 1 million naira every week? Just so you sit here and I stare at you morning, evening. How does that sound?
You're joking. I mean, who does that?
I do it. And does it look like I am joking?
Obviously, it looks like you're joking.
I only joke with money. Let me have your account number. Good. Just a minute. Boom. There we go. Check your phone. Go ahead. I just sent you 1 million naira.
What are you up to? What do you really want from me? Because this huge amount of money can't just come easily.
Well, if you stay beside me, everything, and when I say everything, I mean everything will come easy to you. Okay? Listen, the thing is I haven't had a boyfriend in the last 3 years. I want you.
Okay, so are you actually paying me to be your gigolo?
Do I look like a sugar mommy to you? I'm still young, come on. I'm not paying you to do that. I just want you to be comfortable. I want to have you all to myself.
Run away. Run on. One them. Run away from her. Run as fast as you can run.
Welcome, madam.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Let me pour my order.
She's evil. She's dangerous.
Hello, Oga.
Make yourself she's evil. Forget about the Lord. Don't make yourself a sacrifice.
Why the hell are you in my way? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Where is my brother Gold?
You want to see your brother? You little nitwit. You knew the implication of having something to do with my brother, yet you went ahead to have a relationship with him. You won't see your brother until you end whatever it is you have with Nonso.
Mind the way you bang my doors, the car is quite expensive.
So is mine, go. Where is my brother?
Just drew a line, go. Let the battle begin.
It is time for our monthly sacrifice. Who goes first?
I will go first.
Tomorrow, come with your sacrifice and make sure he is drunk.
Can't we do it today?
Tomorrow, come with your sacrifice.
I'll do just that.
Who goes after her?
I'll perform my after her.
Good. And you, Silver?
Okay. Can we move this a bit farther?
Once is your turn, and you fail to do it, you will suffer greatly.
Wise one, my sacrifice is ready.
No, this is my brother. No.
Silent!
Wise one, please. This is my brother. Go, what do you think you're doing?
Can we proceed with the sacrifice?
No, we can't. Please, Gold. Okay, fine. I'll just spare my brother. I'll help you look for yours, please.
It's too late.
Rose? Okay. Please, beg her. Talk to her. Let her spare my brother, please.
I have no say here. I came to talk with you, but you asked me to leave your house. Sorry, let's continue.
No. Wise one, please, this is my brother. We cannot do this, we cannot proceed, please.
Wise one, can we proceed?
No. We go.
You may all leave. Leave my presence.
Wise one, please, I'll do anything, but please just spare my brother, please. Please.
I said leave.
No.
But we can. What's that? What did I hear you say? I don't even want to hear one but. You were here.
Please, don't do this, please. Please. Please.
Stop acting like you are all innocent. Oh, please clean those tears off your eyes. Now you see how sweet revenge is. Listen, if I have to take all your brothers one after the other, even the ones yet unborn, I will do it.
Rose, please. Beg her. She doesn't need to do this. Please.
But we can all find a way out.
Please. There is no way out of this. I begged you. I spoke to you. There is nothing I did not say for you to leave my brother. You refused. I thought you wanted a thug of war. Now I'm giving you the end of the rope. Pull it. I want to see how much strength you have.
Rose. Siva.
I need to go see my father. That's the only way.
What is going on?
Papa? Papa?
No.
Papa? 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 Please, Afam is in trouble, Papa. Who do I... Papa? Wait. What? Papa?
I need to go and see Papa.
You're not welcomed in my house. You became an enemy the very day you decided to sleep with my brother. As if that was not enough. You killed him.
I did not kill your brother.
Then where the fuck is he?
I don't know where he is.
Listen to me and listen good. I do not want to hurt you. You will get your filthy self out of my house. Else, I will bundle you like a piece of shit. Throw you out of my gate. Get out. Get the hell out of my house.
Best friends are turned to worst enemy. This is serious.
Pretty bastard.
There is fire. There is fire. We need to war. There is fire. There is fire. We need to war.
You went too far. Since you knew your brother is safe, why did you take her brother?
I wanted to teach her a bitter lesson.
Gold, I am totally not in support of this. This is not fair.
All in life is not fair. Everything is fair in war. The game only just got started.
I know what you know. You want to destroy me. Are we fighting? This is us. This is us. Money works with the blood, both physical and spiritual.
Ozzy Wondo, my man. See, anytime I say that love exists,
Wait,
stop that.
Wait.
Believe me.
Where did you get all these things?
It's God's doing. It's God's doing. And it's marvelous in our eyes.
Hey, see shoes.
See this one?
Brad.
See this one?
Hey.
Call it very well. Prada. This is Soko.
Chima, where did you get all these things from?
When I say love truly exists, I am not lying. You people should believe me.
Chima, wait. Where did you get all these things from? There's something you are not telling me. I'm confused.
It's not from my love. The love of my life, she just surprised me. Love can never die. Love will never die. I will keep believing in love because love truly exists.
Hey, this is unbelievable. I don't even know what to say. How did it even happen?
You better believe it all.
Hey.
The more you believe it, the better for you. See.
So wait. Did she give you some money? Because all these things, it's not be close. We go chop.
Some money. You're talking about money. I'm talking about bundles. Yeah. Smell it. Hey,
I'm happy for you. Hey, Chima.
I know what you want to say.
Now, whether you know it or not, let me say it. Now that you have this money, let's go and pay Mensa. Let's settle him and avoid this problem for life.
See,
for life.
Also, I'm a rich man now.
Yes, I know.
I'm a big man now.
I know. You're a rich man now. Let's go and pay Mensa.
Tell Mensa that if Mensa tries any nonsense around me, I, Chima Oil and Gas Nigeria Limited, I will get him arrested.
Calm down. See, if I leave here now, I'll go straight to Mensa's house and tell him that you have the money, but you refuse to pay him.
Please go ahead. Do you want me to give you transport? If you tell Mensa that nonsense, I am going to tell Mensa that I've given you his money to pay him, but you use his money to play bet. Yes.
Play bet?
Nonsense.
You are framing me up.
Mind the way you talk to big men. I'm now your big man neighbor.
No, try it!
Chima! Okay, now big man. Yeah, Chima!
Listen, I need you to do this for me. This lady in particular has disgraced me enough. I have tried so many charms on her, but it never works.
And what do you want from us?
I want her to be disgraced. I want to take a war to her and I want to win this war. I want you to do it in a way that people will laugh at her at the end of the day.
What will you do for us?
Ha! Wise one. Just name it. Anything it is you want, I will give it to you.
Don't forget your promise.
I'll not forget. I promise.
Wash your hand in the door.
This one?
Wash your hand.
Done.
Go and fight. But come back to thank us and keep your promise.
I will not forget, wise one. If you can get this done for me, I will give you anything.
Go. It's done.
Thank you. Thank you.
When two elephants fight, the grass goes suffer. When two elephants fight, the grass goes suffer.
Where is your sister? She's supposed to be here by now. I don't know what's keeping her.
And we fight till with last blood. You have trespassed. I know what you know. You want to destroy me. And we fight you. The sisters. The sisters. Oh, the sisters. Sisters, the sisters. Birds of the same feathers, they know themselves. The battle line is drawn. Stay out of my lane. I cannot allow.
It is time. All I want is the corpse.
You see, madam, we can do anything for you. Even if it means bringing someone down for this case, we will do it. If that is all you want.
Good. Let's go.
All right, madam.
Birds of the same feathers, they know themselves. The battle line is drawn. Stay out of my lane. I cannot allow you to have your way. I know what you know. I know what you know. All you profess to him is fake. I know you. I know what you're up to. I am ready to fight you with everything in me. I can go down for you.
Afam, can you just stop calling me incessantly. I'm coming. My car broke down. I'm along the road as I speak with you. Just hold on, please. Hello? Yes. Where are you? Okay, I don't have that time. Please, can you just... How would I know what's wrong with the car? Please come fast.
Hey! I better go because I'm dying me. I know because hey! Because you're not good man because I better go. Hey! Chineke bro. Hey! Now. Hey! Chimo!
She killed my brother. Now we use you as my object of vengeance.
You don't have to soil your hands with blood. You can't kill a woman you called mother. A woman that calls you daughter. You can't kill me. Please.
I'm sorry.
What is this? This can't happen. Silva, what is it? Why are you holding a gun?
Gold took away my father's corpse with her boys.
What is she doing with your father's corpse, eh? Has the madness gotten to this level?
Call her. Tell her to return my father's corpse. Or I'll do something everyone will be shocked to hear.
I will call her. I will tell her to return your father's corpse.
He didn't just take away my father's corpse. Gold killed my brother.
Abomination. His blood will not be upon my head. She will bear the consequences alone.
I'm giving her 2 hours. 2 hours. Or my return will be deadly.
Silva. Hey. Only.
I know what you know. Are we fighting with last blood?
Oledo, keep your greetings to yourself. Has it gotten to this? Has it gotten to the point you now commit abomination in the name of power? Oledo, if you don't return that corpse, I will lay a curse on you. Nonsense.
The sisters.
Oh, kiddo, if you no kid that innocent boy now. If you no kid that innocent boy.
Dodo, what do you for say make I do? I mean, follow madam instruction. She said make I buy the boy, which I did. So I don't understand why they blame me now.
So madam give mine key all over boy. That woman get mine though. be say we just dey now, madam will kill you and all of us for here one day.
Mama, forget that side.
Forget her.
Yes, how madam will just spy us like that. You know, say now we be her hitmen. We dey run matters for her. So what thing we just give her my she just spy us like that? You know, very easy.
Best if you buy a lover boy, who be yours? Who be
Madam,
yours?
now me they tell you say madam no go try that one. You don't understand? Now we be her hitmen.
Okay, now every good, no wahala. Okay.
So just don't worry, just relax.
I'll just kill your mother because I have her.
You what? Silver. Let me make this clear to you. If anything happens to my mother, I will wipe everything that breathes in your village. Don't dare me.
Let's see how you do that.
Bastard. Little Silver.